Okay, this is a little video on my tire repair kit. This is a plug kit. This is a Safety Seal brand. They are a very good brand, probably the absolute best out there. And I hope this focuses on this. But there's some information on the company, phone number and an address. You can find these online, just Safety Seal. They're the original. Excellent products. And open up here. This is a kit that I bought that comes with this plastic case, and it's very nicely done. It's very high quality. You get steel tools. There's your plug install tool. Over here is your ream tool. After you remove whatever the object was, probably a screw or a nail, you ream it out with that. Comes with the lube. They are USA made. Their plugs are the absolute best. You can pull them up online and they show you the differences between other brand plugs and their plugs. They completely saturate their plugs, and the glues that they use in them actually vulcanizes with the rubber of the tire. And I don't know how well this will show up, but right here is one of the Safety Seal plugs, and it's just completely saturated. There's no dry portion to the plug at all. So if you're looking for a good kit to have with you just in case you ever have a flat tire, the Safety Seal is the outright best. They're not the least expensive one out there, but they do supply you with the highest quality of parts. You know, this reamer, this handle is heavy. It's all quality stuff there. It says made in the USA, Safety Seal on it. And same thing with the plug install tool. It says made in the USA, has Safety Seal on it. These are an excellent tire plug kit. I carry this with me, and I also have one in my wife's car. Hers, I bought the canvas pouch. It's a little bit smaller than this plastic case that they come in. So, but the same reamer and same plug install tool, all nice heavy duty stuff. You're not going to tear this stuff up. It's not going to bend on you. This is all top quality. It's well worth the price. Hope this video helps.